Welcome to the Big Brian Show.
Welcome to the Big Brian Show. Nice. Hey, what's happening, YouTubers? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Big Brian Show. Well, it's that time of year again. Your favorite time of year. Time to do taxes. Hey, all this freaking paperwork. Don't you love it? Hey, guess what? I heard Donald Trump is trying to get rid of doing income tax, because he don't like to do income tax. Remember when he won the first time, they kept trying to get him to show his income tax returns, and he never did. But anyway, I'm making this video to let anybody to let everybody know that if you are if you on YouTube and you monetize and you're a content creator, you are going to have to do income tax. All right. I don't know if anybody told you that. I'm telling you now. Yeah. I've been monetized for years, but I never really talked about it. But I'm gonna talk about it now because see, a lot of people want to be content creators. So yeah, you are going to get a 1099 miscellaneous form. And it says, this is important tax information and being furnished to the IRS. If you are required to file a return, a negligence penalty or other sanction may be imposed on you if this income is taxable and the IRS determines that it has not been reported. You're going to get this 1099 form from Google. And the funny thing is, right, their name isn't Google or YouTube. It's 26 Holdings, Inc. All right? See that right there? Okay, and the 1099 miscellaneous form is going to have how much money you made. That's going to be, they call that royalties. All right? And so there you go. Like I said, if you don't report it, some bad things going to happen to you. Now, if you're using TurboTax, if you use TurboTax and do this, it's a little easier. I like to use TaxAct, and if you use TaxAct and do it, you're gonna have to pick. First of all, you can use, because you're a business. It's a business. You are you're a business owner. So that's basically what it is. If you do Google and you monetize, you're a business owner. So they're going to ask you for a name. So you can either use the name of your YouTube page. I can say my business is Big Brian Show. But what I always put I am a content creator. Okay. And okay, on the back of the miscellaneous form, box 3 will say, if it is trade or business income, report this amount on Schedule C. Okay. Box 5 will tell you the same thing. Self-employed individuals must report this amount on Schedule C. All right. But that's what you want to use. You want to use Schedule C. That's for self-employment. And you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Good thing about doing your income tax is that being a small business owner, you can deduct. So like, they're gonna ask you, like, you can deduct too. So like internet, how much your internet bill, you can deduct from that. Do you have an office? You can deduct your office. I mean, you can deduct if you travel, if you driving around filming, you can deduct that too. So, it's pretty good. But yep, just letting you know, you are going to have to file income tax. All right. Okay, so here's the other subject I want to talk about, right? So when you work normally, like you go out and you got a 9 to 5, 8 to 4, whatever. Um, the money you work, right? The money you earn, contributes to your Social Security. Okay, so when you get older, you can retire and draw Social Security. I don't know how that works with YouTube. That's why I tell people I would not quit my normal job to just YouTube, because I don't know how YouTube works. I don't know how much they contribute, but it is a small business. But you know, you got you you got to think about your future, okay? Because YouTube is up and down. If you got a stable job that's paying 20, 25, $40 an hour, then that money is getting deposited consistently into your Social Security. If you just YouTubing, one month you might be making, I don't know, 9, 10,000 a month. Next month you might be making 900. So this is the reason why I tell people, don't just think about YouTube. Have YouTube as a side hustle. And now that's what they call it. The IRS call it. They call it a side hustle. Let me read you something. Okay, so when you work, a portion of your paycheck is automatically deducted as a Social Security tax, which is then used to build up your future Social Security benefits. Essentially, the more you earn and pay into the system while working, the larger your potential retirement benefit will be when you become eligible to claim it. Key points about how work contributes to Social Security. Payroll tax. Both you and your employer contribute a percentage of your wage, currently 6.2% each, to Social Security, which is considered a payroll tax. So what I just read you is the normal way. Like when you work, that's what they take out. They take out 6.2%. And I think you can take more out if you want to. You can add to it, but that's the normal procedure, okay? Now what I'm about to read you is if you're self-employed, if you own a business. Self-employed individuals. If you are self-employed, you pay the full 12.4% Social Security tax yourself. Earning credits. Your work history is tracked through credits, which are earned based on your yearly earnings. Benefit calculation. When you retire, your Social Security benefit is calculated based on your average index monthly earnings, AIME, over your highest earning 35 years of work. Okay, guys, so that's why I say it's not good to just YouTube only. It's good to have a job and YouTube, unless you got like, I don't know, like 5 or 10 million subscribers, and you're making enough money every, because YouTube is not consistent. So yeah, and no matter how you look at it, most people are gonna have to do 35 years to get Social Security. So you want to make sure you got a good stable job. Now if you got a good stable job and YouTube, you're gonna be set for life. You're gonna be set when you get older enough to retire. But anyway, and also YouTube don't have pension. Like some jobs get pension. They don't got no 401k, no medical. I mean, it's a lot of downfall. When you YouTube, you just YouTube. Yeah, you can go get dental insurance and medical on your own, but if you work for a company, you covered. Plus, you can get pension, which helps you out a lot. YouTube don't have pension. YouTube don't have none of that. When you make your money on YouTube, you're just getting straight YouTube money, and it's going up and down. You can get your whole account deleted. It's not stable. So anyway, YouTube don't have pension, but they do got stock. Google got stock. You can buy stock from Google, but it ain't pension. I mean, they're not like most companies. You put in something, they put in half, but they do have stock. That's a whole nother subject though. I'm Big Brian. Have a good day. Peace out. File those income taxes.